Welcome to Riz English Channel.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Riz English Channel. I'm Riz, your English teacher and friend.
And I'm Zoe. Hi, everyone. I'm so happy to be here again.
Great to have you, Zoe. So, tell me, why do you think people learn English?
Good question. Maybe for travel? Or for work?
Exactly. Those are two very good reasons. But there are more. Today, we're talking about one big question. Why do we learn English?
Oh, that's a nice topic. I think everyone listening has their own reason.
Yes, and by the end of this episode, you'll not only understand why people learn English, but you'll also learn how to talk about your own reason.
That's cool. So I can say, I learn English because.
Perfect. You're already learning. Listeners, say it with us. I learn English because.
I learn English because.
Good. You sound great, Zoe.
Thank you.
All right, let's start with a small story. Once, I met a man at an airport. He wanted to buy coffee but didn't know how to order in English. He just smiled and pointed at the cup.
Oh no, that must have been hard.
Yes, but it made me think. English is everywhere, in airports, hotels, movies, music, and the internet.
That's true. Even my favorite songs are in English.
See? So one reason to learn English is to understand the world better.
Yeah, like watching movies without subtitles.
Exactly. Let's make this our first key phrase. Repeat after me. I learn English to understand movies and songs.
I learn English to understand movies and songs.
Nice job. Listeners, your turn. Say it out loud.
It's fun to say.
Yes, and saying it helps your brain remember. Repetition is the key.
Okay, what's another reason to learn English?
Let's see. Some people learn it for work or study. Many jobs today need English skills.
Right. My friend got a job in a company because she speaks English.
Perfect example. You can say, I learn English to get a better job.
I learn English to get a better job.
Good. Or, I learn English to study abroad.
I learn English to study abroad.
Great pronunciation.
Thanks, Riz. So we have two reasons, for fun and for work or study.
That's right. And there's another reason. People learn English to make new friends.
Oh, yes. I met friends from Japan and Brazil in an online English group.
That's wonderful. You can say, I learn English to meet new people.
I learn English to meet new people.
Let's say all three reasons together. Ready?
Ready.
1. I learn English to understand movies and songs.
I learn English to understand movies and songs.
2. I learn English to get a better job.
I learn English to get a better job.
And 3. I learn English to meet new people.
I learn English to meet new people.
Well done, Zoe.
Thank you. I think our listeners are doing great too.
I'm sure they are. Now, let's make it more fun. I'll ask you, and you answer. Ready?
Okay, let's play.
Why do you learn English?
I learn English to travel.
Good. Why else?
I learn English to talk with people from other countries.
Excellent. One more. Why do you learn English?
I learn English to understand my favorite songs.
Perfect answers. Listeners, your turn. Why do you learn English? Think about your reason. Say it now.
I hope they said it out loud.
I hope so too. Speaking is how you grow.
You're right. Sometimes I feel shy when speaking English, but I try.
That's good, Zoe. Everyone feels shy at first, But remember this phrase, practice makes progress.
Oh, not practice makes perfect?
No, we don't need to be perfect. We just need progress.
I like that. Practice makes progress.
Say it again. And listeners, say it too. Practice makes progress.
Practice makes progress.
Good job.
Riz, I have a question. What if someone says English is too hard?
I'd say English is not hard, it's new. Everything new feels hard at first.
That's a nice way to say it.
Thank you. And remember, learning English is not about speed. It's about daily practice. Even 10 minutes a day helps.
That's true. Sometimes I watch short English videos before bed.
Excellent. You can say, I learn English every day.
I learn English every day.
Or, I practice English with my friends.
I practice English with my friends.
Good job.
So now, we know many reasons to learn English: travel, work, fun, friends, and study.
Yes, and you can use all those sentences in real life.
Riz, can I tell you something funny?
Sure.
When I first started learning English, I said, I am boring, instead of I am bored.
That's a classic. Many learners say that.
People laughed, and I learned the difference fast.
Mistakes help us learn, so don't be afraid of mistakes.
Yeah, I tell myself it's okay to make mistakes.
That's a perfect attitude. Listeners, say it with us. It's okay to make mistakes.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Beautiful.
I feel motivated now.
Me too. And to everyone listening, remember, you are doing great. Every word you learn is progress.
Yes, keep practicing and never give up.
So before we finish, let's review. Why do we learn English?
To understand movies and songs.
To get a better job.
To meet new people.
To travel.
And to study abroad.
Perfect.
Yay!
Thank you all for listening to Riz English Channel. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share, and subscribe. It really helps us make more lessons for you.
Yes, and tell us why you learn English in the comments. We'd love to read your answers.
Keep smiling, keep learning, and remember, practice makes progress.
See you next time.
See you soon, my friends. Goodbye for now.
Thank you for watching.
Like, share, and subscribe.
To keep learning English the smart way.